Welcome to Synthesis. I'm the tutor. What's your name?
Theo.
Theo. Am I saying it right? And how about my spelling?
Amazing.
Excellent. Theo, we are going to learn math like you've never learned it before. No textbooks, no worksheets, no homework. What do you say?
I hate homework, so yeah, I'm gonna love this.
Welcome back, Sam. You're on fire with that 3-day streak. I noticed it's been about 3 weeks since we worked on multiplication flashcards. Might be a good time for a quick review.
I like this.
Or if you're feeling adventurous, we could jump into factor extractor, which you just unlocked.
I want for something new like factor.
Factor extractor? Great choice. Have you learned about square numbers before?
Yeah, I know quite a bit about square numbers.
That's great. Do you want to show me what you already know?
Okay.
Let's do it. Great work, Lily. Would you like to wrap up for today or dive into another lesson?
Shall we go into another one?
Absolutely.
Okay.
You crushed those division problems.
Thank you.
I think you're ready for something new. But first, I'd love to get to know you a bit more. What kinds of things do you like besides math?
I love octopuses, the ocean.
What's your favorite thing about octopuses?
They have a brain in each arm.
That's fascinating. You know, your interest in octopuses actually connects really well to fractions. Each of their arms has its own brain of sorts, which is like a fraction of the whole.
I never thought of that before, and it's really interesting.
How about we try fraction smash? I bet you'll love it.
That's perfect.